Hi guys, Nisi Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to take off the presser foot of the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So this is the presser foot here, and in order to take it off, you turn the machine on the back side. There is a red button here, so you press the button and it releases the presser foot. So that is how you take the presser foot off. In order to put the presser foot back on, line up this piece here with this knob here. And you're just going to line it up and put the presser foot lever down. The presser foot lever is here. You will press the presser foot lever down to pick it up. And now you have put the presser foot back on. So I have shown you how to take off as well as put on the presser foot of the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our page, follow us on Instagram, and happy sewing.